na natanggap ko po yung question na tinatanong yung lahat. Unfortunately po, the Securities and Exchange Commission chairman was quoting off a confirmed fake news SOCMED post designed to catch attention and falsely sensationalize. The attributed source confirmed na fake news po ito at hindi galing sa kanila. The fact is, the drop wasn't 12%. You may confirm this with the Philippine Stock Exchange or your favorite stockbroker. Lahat po yan, alam nila. Public knowledge po lahat ng index po natin. And I have personally confirmed this with the PSE president and the top brokers in the stock market. For the period mentioned, which is August 11 to 29, the main PSE drop was only 1.6%. As a matter of fact, it was 1.58%. And the all shares index in our Philippine stock market of 282 companies, the drop was only 1.5%. And in terms of the market cap, which is the clickbait number of that fake SOCMED post, the drop po is only 1.4%. So these are all easily verifiable. You can confirm this later with the PSE, the Philippine Stock Exchange po. Or kahit sinong stockbroker po, alam po nilang lahat to. Public knowledge po lahat ng detalye po na to. And as a matter of fact, your very own colleague from the Inquirer in BizBuzz on September 5, written by Ian Sigaral, himself said that completely fake news po ito and he debunked it already on September 5. So, unfortunately, nangyari po ito pero confirmed po ito by multiple sources na fake news po ito, including the attributed source of the SOCMED post. So sana po, wag na po tayo magpapa loko po sa fake news.